In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the roof rack crossbars from a Toyota. Whether you're looking to clean up the look, reduce wind noise, or install new accessories, it's a quick and simple job. First, make sure your vehicle is parked on a flat surface and the roof is clean so you can work safely. Take a close look at the ends of the crossbars. Most Toyota models use a locking cover or small bolts to keep the bars in place. If your crossbars have lock covers, use the supplied key or a small flathead screwdriver to pop them open. Inside, you'll see either a bolt or a clamp mechanism. Use a hex key or socket wrench to loosen the bolts on each end of the crossbar. Once both sides are loose, gently lift the bar off the roof rails. Repeat the process for the second crossbar. Store them in a safe place if you plan to reinstall them later. If this video helped you remove your Toyota roof rack crossbars, please like and subscribe for more DIY auto tips. Thanks for watching.